Welcome back to the channel Share and Learn, friends. So we will continue the learnings of this book, Atomic Habits, as suggested and as promised in my previous discussion. So one of the technique which has been suggested by James Clear in this book is called as habit stacking. So let's understand what habit stacking means to us. Currently we are having, say, one of the habit. I'll also share examples, at least 2 examples to understand, make it understand to all of us. Now we want to build a new habit. So in that case, what the author is suggesting with this habit stacking is that join the new habit which you want to develop along with the current habit which you are already having, and then stack this new habit or a new behavior which you want to develop on the top of the current behavior. Examples, listen carefully. So after I pour my morning cup of coffee, I will meditate for 60 seconds. So the first one was, which is a regular current habit, pouring of the morning cup of coffee, and the habit which we want to develop because of the benefits that we would like to meditate, and at least for 60 seconds. So after I meditate for 60 seconds, I will write my to-do list for the day. Again, habit stacking. And after I write my to-do list for the day, I will immediately begin my first task. So current habit is that having a cup of coffee in the morning, and then what the habit which you want to develop is that I would like to meditate for 60 seconds, write my to-do list, and immediately begin my task. One more example. When I see a set of stairs, I will take them instead of using the elevator. When I serve myself a meal, I will always put veggies on my plate first. When my phone rings, I will take one deep breath and smile before answering. And when I leave a public place, I will check the table and chairs to make sure I don't leave anything behind. So hopefully we are able to understand what basically author wants to tell us through habit stacking. So friends, another suggestion given by James Clear in this book is the temptation bundling. This is one way to make your habits more attractive. The strategy is to pair an action which you want to do and an action which you need to do. So want to do and need to do. And if you want to make it a habit, then temptation bundling is one of the way which you can always utilize. Let's look at 2 examples. First, if you want to watch sports, but you need to make sales call. After I get back from my lunch break, I will call 3 potential clients. So that is a need. And after I call these 3 potential clients, I will check sports channel, which is your want. Example 2, if you want to check social media, but you need to exercise more. So what you can do to develop your habit is that after I pull out my phone, I will do 10 push-ups. So that's the need. And after I do 10 push-ups, I will check my social media, and that is the want. So that's the way which we can utilize the temptation building to develop a new habit and make a continuity of our want and need. Habit formation is the process by which a behavior becomes progressively more automatic through repetition. The more you repeat an activity, the more the structure of your brain changes to become efficient at that activity. So author stated the fact out here that if you want to master a habit, the key is to start with repetition and not perfection. You don't need to map out every feature of a new habit. You just need to practice it. Repetition, practice, not a perfection. So habits are formed based on frequency and not by time. Thanks for watching this today's session. We will meet next time to continue the review and the learning of this book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. So bye for the day.